it helped me understand how to read a file at least at the basic level than just depending on the seller.
For me, whether it's as a seller or as a buyer, it was immense insight into what you need to do, like the basics of real estate, whether you're buying or you're selling.
I always wanted to know how the procedure has to be followed when you're buying or selling the property, and what you have to know about each and every details about it. So you can, if you have any questions asked, you have been ready to answer all the questions.
Shop is very informative for me. Like, I'm zero in this actually. Just first time I'm attending any workshop, and you have lots of knowledge, and thank you so much.
Attending your workshop, Prasad. Thank you so much.
The simplest of things that we have at hand but we don't use, like the WhatsApp feature and all, keeping a status, that was something new as to how to use free tools that we have to promote your business.
This was a much needed workshop for me, because I've been working on the field, but knowing the basics was more important. So it has helped me a lot, and thank you very much.
I am attending this workshop first time, so this has helped me a lot of getting the basic knowledge. And being Prasad is my friend, and I am also a diploma engineer. He was my senior, so he encouraged me to come into real estate business, and he is helping a lot. So I am doing the best.